also talking about, cases. Are we going to have cases that are certified for a 4090 power clearance, right? Because this is a 4090 is a pretty large card, and then you've got this bend radius that they want you to maintain for the connection, right? Not all cases are that wide. Like if you're putting it in there, unless you're mounting it vertically, and even then you have other things to worry about with the bend radius and everything. So definitely something to think about if you're in the market for a 4090. Make sure your case is wide enough to actually fit the card and the power connection safely.
Yeah.